As a medical student of Mugda Medical College and as a future physician, I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of humanity. I will practice medicine to the highest standards of conduct by doing what is best for my patients and allowing neither greed or miserliness nor thirst for great reputation. I will respect the autonomy and dignity of my patient. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life. I will not permit considerations of age, disease, or disability, creed, ethnic origin, gender, nationality, political affiliation, race, sexual orientation, social standing, or any other factor to intervene between my duty and my passion. I will cultivate the virtues of integrity, honesty, compassion, courage, respect, and self-sacrifice in myself and in my colleagues. I will always seek to learn from the knowledge, wisdom, and experience of my mentors. May I never forget that medical education is a privilege bestowed on me by those who have entrusted their well-being and the well-being of others to me. I will not use my medical knowledge to violate human rights, civil liberties, even under threat. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Today is the first step in a lifetime learning, and I promise to honor the rich tradition embodied in learning the art and science of medicine in Mugda Medical College. I affirm this day, 3rd May 2026, before my future colleagues in medical science, that I will be true to this pledge. Amen. Thank you.